First Catholic, please sign of the cross.
First of all, can I request everyone to please sign for our attendance? Ito na ang video. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming. Teachers' Day is coming soon, and we are here to finalize our plans. Let's make this celebration special and memorable for all our teachers.
Thank you, Mom. The goal of this meeting is to finalize the program, assign committees, and make sure everything is ready for the big day.
Noted, Mom. For today's agenda, we have the program flow, the budget's funding, committees assignments, and last is the reminders and the deadlines about the Teachers' Day.
Alright, let's start our program. Alisa, do you have any suggestions?
Yes, Mom. We are planning a shared program with student performances, a tribute video, and a surprise dance for teachers. We also want to give simple token to all faculty members.
That sounds great, Alisa. I suggest adding a short teacher's recognition segment where we give certificates to outstanding teachers.
Noted, the program includes performance, tribute videos, dance, tokens, and recognition segments.
Good ideas. Maybe we can also include a short message from alumni as a part of the video.
That's a nice suggestion, Mom. We'll contact alumni for a shared meetings.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the budget. We have 10,000 pesos available, and to add more, we can ask each student to contribute 10 pesos each. The funds will cover decorations, foods, and tokens.
Budget noted. The budget is 10,000 pesos and student contributions.
So next is for the committees. I suggest program committee, student councils officer, or decoration committee, second year student with advisors, food committee, PTA officers.
Noted, Mom. The student council will manage the program and coordinate with performers.
Excellent. All committees must submit their progress by next week. Let's make sure everything stays on schedule.
Committees assigned, budget finalized, and the report is due next week.
Reminders to everyone, please coordinate with their committees regularly to avoid delays.
Is everybody agreed on what we have discussed?
Yes, Yes, ma'am. Agree.
Okay. Meeting adjourned. Thank you for your cooperations. Please.
Isa ka dili.